Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hi everyone, my name is Pragati Jadhav, first year diploma of Civil Department from Zil Institute Polytechnic Nare, Pune. Name of mini project is reduction of level by line of collimation and rise and fall method. And the project by Pragati Bharat Jadhav and Praveen Nagnath Sangwe and the guide by Professor Sheikh Sir. There are two methods of working out the reduced level of the point from the staff readings taken in the field. First is height of instrument or collimation, and second is rise and fall method. Collimation method. It consists in finding the elevation of the plane of collimation, that is HI, for every setting of the instrument and the obtaining the reduced level of the point with reference to respective plane or collimation. To start with, the HL is calculated by adding the backside of the RL of the starting point, the reduce of level of the intermediate point, and the first change point are then obtained by subtracting the respective readings from the HI. When the instrument is shifted, a new plan of collimation is set up and the height of which calculated by adding backside reading to the RL of the first change point. Advertisement. The reduced level of the successive points and the second change point are found out by the subtracting their staff readings from the new HI. The process is repeated until the RLs are worked out and then arithmetically check is applied. Rise and fall method. In this method, the difference between consecutive points is calculated by comparing each other point after the first with that immediately preceding it. The difference of their staff reading indicates rise or fall according to as any staff readings is smaller or greater than that the preceding point. The RL of each point is then founding by rise or subtracting fall or to form a RL of the preceding point. Advertisement. In this method, there are three checks on the accuracy of reduction of levels. The difference between the sum of the back sides and the sum of the four sides is equal to the difference between the sum of the rises, and that the falls is equal to the difference between the first and the last RLs. Leveling in surveying. Summary. The height of collimation is addition of the back side and reduced level. Enter on the same line. Rise and fall method. This method consists in finding the difference of level between consecutive points by comparing each point after the first with that immediately preceding it. Thank you.
Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.